enjoy the rest of the Light Night.
Cheers, Shola. So I've got a little bit quieter because you might have noticed that I've been on a bit of a wander across Leeds, and I'm now in the Soyo zone at Leeds Minster for Connection. Let's take a bit of a closer look. It's very zen and very peaceful here, so hopefully I'm not disrupting the flow of things too much. But we've got Connection here. Connection is actually supported by the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and it's all about, well, the connection between trees and the earth. I don't know if you can see there those strings that are connecting the branches down to the ground. So these strings between the branches of the ground actually create a bit of a natural rhythm, which you can hopefully hear in the background of me speaking just over the top. And it's definitely a place for contemplation here at Leeds Minster, which, to be fair, after all the hustle and bustle that I've been seeing around the city centre, it's quite nice to have a bit of zen and a bit of peace. Definitely something for me. You can actually get right inside this installation, which is definitely a highlight. Gosh, I feel quite relaxed now. I mean, wow, going from the sort of rave energy at Lumora, and now I'm just taking a big chill pill and gone all zen at Connection. But that's exactly what the artist Bart intended when he created Connection. And I think I spy with my little eye a certain Bart Ensing, the artist, the mind, the visionary behind Connection. Let's take a little wander towards him and hear what he's got to say, because it's really quite a beautiful installation, just connecting all of these little bits of nature. And I really want to hear a little bit more about the story behind it. Hello, Bart. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Really good. So we're actually inside the installation Connection right now, if you can't tell. Why have you made it so that you can go inside the installation?
Well, it's called Connection, and there's two reasons for that. And the first is that I connect the branches of the tree with the ground that it grows from. And you can see that like streams of energy or water. But the second, almost more important, is that people can walk into the installation and connect with the installation. And they can look up and see the tree for what it is. And so I want people to connect with the installation, with the tree and with nature.
Amazing. And do you do a lot of work sort of connecting nature with humans?
Yes, Connection is central in my work, and I do make this kind of installations more often. I also make sculpture, and I see that people connect with my wood sculptures. But for me, the connection with trees is very important, because trees are vital for us, and nature is so important, and we are part of nature.
Oh, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for your time, Bart. I'm going to take a little walk out of all the sound, but I really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much, Bart. So let's take a little bit of a wander. You can see the gorgeous Leeds Minster as well, or hopefully you can see it anyway, just behind me. So it really is a very zen place to be. But I'm excited to hear if Kerry is in a similar type of zen zone right now. Kerry, is it as calm where you are as I'm feeling right now?